Alright, so I want to talk to you about how to integrate and simultaneously use my top 3 gut microbiome optimizing resources: the Biome Optima course, the Biome Optima cookbook, and gut microbiome testing through Biome. There's lots of ioms because the biome is very important. We're very proud to have Biome sponsoring this video because the gut microbiome testing kits and the personalized supplements that Biome offers are exceptional tools that integrate perfectly into the overall Biome Optima plan. So first of all, I've been in clinical remission from a severe case of IBD since the end of 2016. After learning that there seems to be a relationship between a dysbiotic gut microbiome and the pathogenesis of IBD, I decided to focus on improving the composition of my gut microbiome. This finally allowed me to achieve the level of health I was looking for, which is to be able to consume a full range of foods without bleeding, mucus, urgency, or diarrhea, to have well-formed, solid bowel movements, and to be on no medication. The Biome Optima course is the updated version of my bootcamp series, which explains my understanding of the inflammatory cascade that leads to IBD, and how improving the gut microbiome can potentially attenuate or stem the flow of the inflammatory cascade by knitting the intestinal tight junctions back together and improving the structural integrity of the gut barrier. This course comes with a 5-week example routine and meal plan that shows how to apply the information in the course, with your doctor's approval and under medical supervision. In addition to lifetime access to the Biome Optima Facebook group, legacy members and new members of the Biome Optima course will also receive a digital copy of our new Biome Optima cookbook. The cookbook is not the same as the course. The cookbook's primary purpose is to supplement the Biome Optima course. So while the course is meant to be more educational and more rigid in its structure, the cookbook is meant to be an occasional escape that offers freedom and flexibility. It can be as on protocol or off protocol as you want it to be, while still paddling your boat downriver in the direction of gut microbiome optimization. And not to worry, this cookbook also includes many recipes that are or can be customized to fit neatly within the phases outlined in the Biome Optima course. Overall, this cookbook is meant to help balance good tasting food and gut microbiome optimizing food. The cookbook can be purchased separately in hardcover or PDF format. However, purchase of the Biome Optima course always includes a PDF of the Biome Optima cookbook. The course and the cookbook can be found at teamhonis.com. Biome's gut microbiome testing and personalized supplements are very useful tools that can be used to help fill in the gaps for individuals working through the Biome Optima course or for individuals working to improve their overall health beyond the gut microbiome. I am so passionate about gut microbiome testing because gut microbiome testing can show you what's actually happening inside the gut microbiome. It can show you what pathogenic microorganisms are present, what probiotic microorganisms are present, and more importantly, what they're actually doing. This will give you a quantifiable target to aim for as you work to improve the composition of your gut microbiome. And if you do repeat testing, this will allow you to see whether or not you're actually improving. Because each individual has a unique gut microbiome, your gut microbiome prefers, so to speak, specific foods that may be different than what someone else's gut microbiome prefers. And you can narrow down what foods are likely going to be best for your specific gut microbiome by testing for it through a company like Biome. I think this is important for everyone, but especially for individuals dealing with IBD. And it's a total game changer for individuals working through the Biome Optima course. Once you get your specific food recommendations based on your gut microbiome test results from Biome, you can then integrate those recommended foods into the Biome Optima plan. This allows you to follow the principles of the Biome Optima plan while also making sure that the foods you're eating are geared towards supporting your specific gut microbiome. So essentially, you can customize Biome Optima to a degree through Biome. You can purchase testing kits on their own from Biome, or you can purchase testing kits that include personalized supplements based on your test results. To maximize Biome's utility, I recommend selecting a package that at the very least includes a gut microbiome testing kit and the corresponding personalized blend of probiotics and prebiotics based on your test results. These precision gut microbiome supplements will be shipped to you each month and can help fill any existing gaps that the Biome Optima protocol doesn't cover. Everyone's gut microbiome is their own unique puzzle that requires solving. Biome Optima supplies the general pieces and framework to the puzzle, and Biome provides some of the specific puzzle pieces that are unique to each individual, which helps make the puzzle more complete. I think the best option on a tight budget that will give you the most bang for your buck is the Gut Intelligence Plan, which tests your gut microbiome and then provides your microbiome scores, your recommended foods, and the personalized supplement blend of probiotics and prebiotics. If you want the top tier option, then you can select the Full Body Intelligence Plan, which gives you an overall snapshot of your gut microbiome, oral microbiome, and cellular health. Using your full body intelligence scores, Biome formulates personalized supplement blends for your individual needs by choosing ingredients that will specifically impact the areas of your health that need the most support. These supplements go beyond just prebiotics and probiotics and also include selections from vitamins, minerals, herbs, enzymes, and amino acids. Once you make your purchase, Biome will then ship the testing kit straight to your door. All you have to do is register your kit, fill out the questionnaire on the Biome app, follow the collection instructions for each sample, and then mail the samples to the Biome lab in the prepaid envelope. When your results are ready, you will receive your food recommendations, and then your personalized supplements will be shipped to you. I think this is a great strategy for gut microbiome and general health optimization. Click the link in the description or go to trybiome.com/Hannes and use the code HANNES20 at checkout to get 20% off of your first 3 months for either the Gut Intelligence Plan or the Full Body Intelligence Plan.